You get it? So if you see 60 V8 following the president, maybe to hold for an event, they don't use the fuel allowance money for that fuel. No, they have another. And now I'm in Ukasano. John Mahama, His Excellency, Wabeye announcement be. Now, in his announcement, or see, government appointees, political appointees that enjoy fuel coupons and fuel allowances, he's withdrawing them. John Mahama, His Excellency, says that political appointees, okay, that are enjoying fuel coupons, John Mahama, has withdrawn all those. Now, let me tell you something. At least some of us, we have had the privilege to be close to some political appointment. But why? We have had the privilege to be close to some political appointees in time past. So we know how governance work. We know how their budgeting and everything works. John Mahama, His Excellency, does not have the power, number one, to make such a determination. He doesn't have the power. John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, does not have the power to say that we will not, okay, pay you fuel allowances. He does not have the power. The power he has, he is not using it. The power John Mahama has is that he can reduce their salaries. He can reduce his own salary and reduce the salary of his appointees. Listen carefully. John Mahama can reduce the salary of his appointees. Akufo-Addo, when he got worse, he reduced his salary and that of his appointees by 30%. Almost 1/3 of their salary they were donating to Ghana. That is the power he has. Now, fuel coupons and fuel allowance is part of what we call conditions of service. Fuel coupons, fuel allowances, they are part of conditions of service. And no single person just sits down, okay, and removes a condition of service. It must be negotiated. You get it? So this announcement John Mahama has made, he knows very well there is no effect to it. It won't take any effect. That is why they will never come to you later to come and tell you that maybe from doing this we have been able to save this amount of money. Because he knows. Mami Abronoma, please mute yourself. Because he knows very, very well that he is just trying to deceive Ghanaians, lie to Ghanaians as usual. Number two, anyone, okay, who has again served in public office will tell you that in fact, fuel coupon, do you know what it says for? For you to buy fuel from your house to the office and from the office to the house. That is all. Anyone who has served in government will tell you that they don't even regard that fuel allowance or fuel coupon. That is why under MPP, the likes of Kwame Plus, we are told, can go to the castle and go and get fuel for there. Because most political appointees don't value that. They see it's a peanut. Do you know where the real money is? The real money is when they are going to the field. And anybody who is a political appointee, almost every single day in the week, they have to attend one function or the other. Now, when they are going to such functions, they write a separate budget. Okay? And they present that budget to the chief director in that very office. So that is where the actual thing is. Please, are you following? That is where the actual thing is. So if John Mahama wants to take away substantial money from his appointees, he will say that when you are going to the field, no more per diem for you, no more fuel money for you, because the fuel allowance does not cover for when you are going on official duty. You get it? So if you see Sister V8 following the president, maybe to Ho for an event, they don't use the fuel allowance money for that fuel. No, they have another budget for that. John Mahama, His Excellency, is not touching that. And he's here thinking he can insult all of us, our intelligence, deceiving people. This is what we voted for. It was on Mama Kwaba, the Ghana MTVGA, so the voice of MPP, and that's what me from the voice. Yeah, Papa, your friend, Captain Smart, and I say Captain not so smart. He must, as a matter of urgency, come out and apologize to the Pentecost chairman, former Pentecost chairman, Apostle Opoku Onina, or he should be sued for defamation. Captain Smart, as I say, sued for defamation. And yen universities are more Ghana nina are more journalism as a course, as a program. No. As I say, use Captain Smart as an example of bad journalism. Yes, ye bad Ghana na say nipa bakwa o claim say or ye journalist or nye journalist. Nipa bakwa anka eka onunku anka eja etu Ghana mono Captain Smart. Captain Smart umaye hu say Apostle Opoku Onina a former chairman of the Church of Pentecost no who claim say we a Pentecost member. Who say Apostle Opoku Onina former chairman no because chairman of the board of trustees no we are sika. Who say Apostle Opoku Onina no we di aban sika. Enti ese chino ese police en chino. Papa professor wa bobra. Now, Obi Akop Church of Pentecost behind him say one of the best chairmen the church ever had. Sa papa no. And nam akumapa ni omain do a wante. Or see or best spearhead the construction of the National Cathedral. Who Captain Smart? We need to do so.